Hey, welcome to BLUETTI Support. Today we're taking a closer look at the Elite 100 V2 and what makes this compact powerhouse shine. We'll crack it open to check out the smart design and engineering packed inside. So let's jump right in. You'll need a few tools for this teardown. And of course, double check that the unit is completely powered off. Safety always first. Now, remove those 6 screws on the bottom with your Phillips screwdriver. Flip it back over and carefully lift off the top lid. The outer shell is made from flame retardant and durable ABS. It's reinforced inside too, so it stays rugged but still light enough to take anywhere. Once you remove the lid, the M2 board is right away. This upgraded board handles up to 1000 watts of solar, so you can juice up faster and hit the road without waiting around. It also uses an integrated design that cuts down on excess wiring and improves both manufacturing efficiency and overall reliability. The fans are smart too. They adjust their speed based on the temperature, saving energy and keeping things quiet. With the optimized airflow path, heat gets pushed out efficiently so everything stays cool and runs smooth. Next, take out the screws on top and lift off the fan and air duct. Alright, let's check out the front panel next. It's got this fresh layered design that gives it more dimensional and a nice premium vibe. The display now rocks a single-piece design, making it look super clean and seamless. Same drill here. Just remove the screws and disconnect the cables, then you can slide the front panel right out. Now onto the mainboard. You'll notice bigger aluminum heat sinks, temperature-controlled fans. Compared to previous models, the Elite 100 V2 packs in more heat sinks with a larger surface area. That means it pulls heat off the mainboard faster, helping your key components last longer. Plus, the ultra-fast relays give you 10 millisecond UPS switching, so even if an unexpected outage hits, your devices won't skip a beat. The inductor is wrapped with flat copper wires to spread heat evenly, keeping it running nice and cool. Thanks to these hardware upgrades and smarter power management, self-consumption stays low, which means your battery stays healthier for longer. Underneath is the pulse of the unit, the battery pack. Inside you'll find the batteries, a smart battery management system chip, and an AC input filter. The BMS tracks battery health and handles charging and discharging, so everything stays safe and runs smoothly wherever you take it. And the AC input filter keeps power surges in check, protecting both the batteries and anything you've got plugged in. These are automotive-grade lithium-ion phosphate cells, built tough and made to last. And on top, there's a metal shielding layer that reduces electromagnetic interference, ensuring the whole system compliant and friendly with your other devices. And that's a complete inside look at the Elite 100 V2. Now let's quickly put everything back together. Finally, run a quick check to make sure everything's working as it should. All set? Then you're good to go. From the inside out, BLUETTI powers you safely.